In this video, I'll show you how you can connect your GoDaddy domain to Google AI Studio. So there is a couple of ways how you can do this, and in this video, I'll show you how to do it with Vercel. So it's very simple. All you have to do is open your project on Google AI Studio, and then in top right corner, click on Save to GitHub. And you want to connect your GitHub to Google AI Studio, and then you need to create a repository. So let's say GoDaddy test, then add a description. You can also make it private or public for GitHub, and then click on create Git repo. This will create your repository on GitHub, and then from GitHub we'll deploy the project on Vercel, and then we are going to be able to add custom domain. So you just need to click on stage and commit all changes now. So we are uploading your changes to GitHub. Once you see this no changes to commit, you want to go to Vercel, vercel.com, and you want to create account if you don't have already one. And next you need to click on start deploying. And from here you want to sign in to your GitHub account and connect it. So you will have access to your repository, and from here you can import it. So as you can see, there is this GoDaddy test just now. So this is the repository I uploaded on GitHub, and you want to click on import next to it. Next you can choose your project name, framework preset, or root directory, and then you just need to click on deploy. Now if you scroll, this will start deploying your GitHub repository on Vercel. So you just need to wait maybe 30 seconds or a couple of minutes. Now you will see congratulations, so it has been successfully deployed, and now you need to click on continue to dashboard. And from here, this is your default domain from Vercel, and to add your GoDaddy domain, you just need to click on domains from here. Then you can buy domain, but in this case, we are adding a GoDaddy domain, so you just want to click on add a domain. And now you just need to paste your GoDaddy domain, so go to GoDaddy. So this is my domain, checkmarkacademy.online. I'm gonna copy it and paste it in Vercel. Then you want to make sure this is checked, so it's recommended, and then just save. And domain added to project. Now the thing is, it's showing invalid configuration. So we need to update our DNS records on GoDaddy. So click on learn more, also here. And from here, you need to add those two records. So the first one is A. So type is A record, this is name, and this is the value. So make sure to copy value. Go back to GoDaddy, click on domain on the left side. From here, you want to choose DNS next to overview, then DNS records. And from here, you just want to delete your existing A or CNAME records. So if you have those two records, you want to delete them because it can mess your records, then it might not work. So I'm going to delete them. And then you just want to click on add a new record. So the first one was A, this is name, and this is value. Then click save. So first record has been added, and the second one is CNAME. Name is www, and this is the value. So I'm gonna copy the value, add a new record. Type was CNAME www, and this is address value. So just click save. So once you have those two records added, you can go back to Vercel and click on refresh next to each one. And now, as you can see, valid configuration. So the first one has been successful. And now the second one is also successful. So now this should mean our domain from GoDaddy has been connected successfully to Google AI Studio. So now if I click on overview and you're gonna refresh the website, you should see your custom domain. So that's it. This is how you can add your GoDaddy domain to Google AI Studio. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.